Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Yes, summer is at the corner, so I have some colored contact lenses for you guys. They are from TTDeye. You guys know this is not the first time I'm revealing their contact lenses. They are so gorgeous and they are affordable. For this summer, you can never go wrong with contact lens. It takes you to another level. If you are in 20 degrees before, it will take you from 20 to 100. They came in this cute box. You guys know how they package their lenses. This is so gorgeous. You guys, I'm going to try all the sizes sent to me so that you can make your choice. And I have a discount code, yes, which I'm going to leave on the description box and on the screen as well. So just use that. When you use that code, you're going to get some reduction from your purchase. And all the styles I'm going to wear, I'm going to try them with you guys. They are here, so I'm going to open them and I will try all with you guys to see how they look gorgeous at a close range. You're going to see how this is going to transform my eye. And TTD contact lenses, they are so good. After using it, just put it in the case, then you use the solution, turn the solution inside. What I do, I rinse it, then turn another fresh one, another fresh solution inside. So you can use them like as many times. I think so. The ones I have, I use them like 4 to 5 times. Okay, I don't know if it is good. Do what is good for you. Okay, that is what I do. Instructions of how you can care for your lenses, everything is on this card. Then they put in also some cases. That's after when you remove your lashes, when you remove your lenses, you store it in this case. Each contact lenses, each one comes with a case. So don't worry, if you order 4, they are going to put 4 cases. If you order 2, they are going to put 2 cases. If you order 3, they are going to put 3 cases. So this is it. And they added some glinters here that you can use. So I have this one. Inside the case there is, let me bring this out. This is the case. I want to open them down. So this is the solution I use. This one right here. You can use any one. You can buy from Amazon. You will see in Amazon solution for contact lenses. And they have an applicator. See, this an applicator. You use this to bring it out from the case, then you use this to apply it. But I prefer using the tips of my fingers. It's not everybody that can do that. You can use the applicator, and make sure if you want to use the tip of your fingers, make sure your hands are clean. And there is solution inside, so I'm going to turn the solution inside my can. You guys can see the color very well.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice. Everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down now, stop it. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, stop it, give it love. Go down now, stop it. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, stop it, give it love. And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world.
guys, that is all I will try today. I tried 4 for you guys, so these are the rest ones. I don't know if these ones are different. These are the rest ones. If are they different? I think they are different, but I can't try these ones today. I think I have tried 4. These are the rest. Let me bring them out for you guys to see. I forgot to tell you guys that you always come with a mirror that you use closer to your eye. So these ones, let me bring them out and show you guys.